The Mortgage Minute today being brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial. When you're ready for that next home loan, Geneva's got the programs and the products. You just need to make the call, 800-306-1990, 800-306-1990, and every day at this time. OBMMI, they provide the most comprehensive, accurate, timely, and interactive analysis of pricing ever conducted in the mortgage industry, calculated from actual locked rates, with consumers across 35% of all mortgage transactions nationwide. OBMMI, yeah, they don't tell us the points paid, the points received, or the APR. They simply tell us the number we need to know to put into our mortgage calculator. And if you don't have a mortgage calculator, shame on you, because I give it away every single business day right here on Ron Siegel Radio. RonIsMyLender.com. RonIsMyLender.com. We have that data for you all the time. So go and check that part out. Let's see what rates did on Friday, and I think Josh has those on the screen. Okay, scoreboard, 3 down, 2 up. 30-year conventional fixed, 6.453. That was down. Jumbo 30-year fixed. That was up, 6.879. FHA 30-year fixed. That was up, 6.164. VA 30-year fixed. Down. I love that when the VA loan goes down. 5.947. USDA loan. That's for our friends that are in the rural areas, generally no down payment, 6.143. That one was down. Again, if you want our market commentary every weekday morning as early as the data allows, rsrlinks.com/market minute, rsrlinks.com/market minute. Let's take a look and see what's going on right now. So the S&P 500 is down 26 points. 10-year treasury is up 10 basis points. Mortgage-backed securities, this is the bond. When the bond goes down, rates go up. Bond is down a lot today. It's down 44 basis points. That is a big move on the bond. Oh. Yeah. Why? Well, maybe is it just history repeating itself and no one else is talking about it? Could be. We're going to tell you why. What happened in the last couple of years, maybe, and hopefully this year as well, is that we see that the 10-year treasury moves down every year right around this time. But we're getting close to the date each year as well. We look at history to try and see if it's going to repeat itself or to predict the future. So in 2022, the 10-year yield started in October at 3.57, rose to 4.33 by October 25th. In 2023, yields started October at 4.61, but then rose to over 5% by October 20th. In both instances, the October high was the high of the year, and then yields moved sharply lower. Will we see that pattern again this year? We're going to watch it. What else is going on? China cuts its central bank rate by 0.25% in their latest effort to support their housing and stock markets. Raphael Bostic has been one of the most hawkish Fed members, and earlier this month said he would be open to the idea of pausing rate cuts at the upcoming November 7th meeting if the data supported it. In his most recent media appearance on Friday, Bostic made the case for patient reductions in the Fed funds rate, eventually getting it to somewhere between 3 and 3.5% by the end of the year. He said he is not in a rush to get to the neutral rate. Bostic seems concerned that inflation could stall out because the Fed hasn't been restrictive for long enough. How's that feel to you? So he wants to be patient. His comments are a bit surprising as the Fed has been and is still very restrictive on the economy, with the Fed funds rate at 4.875. Now think about that. He's saying next year it should be between 3 and 3.5, and right now we're at 4.875, and core PCE inflation at 2.7%. We also know that inflation should be much lower, but due to the lagging shelter readings, it appears higher. Last week, we broke down how the core PCE would be at 2.2 if it weren't caught up to real-time rental indicators like apartment lists. Bostic does, however, envision further rate cuts ahead. So we're going to watch all of those things for you. The bottom line is, should you be buying a house right now? The answer is always, 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 always the same. It depends. What's your unique situation? So that's why we have to have a consultation about it. That's the Mortgage Minute, brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial. When you're ready for that next home loan, Geneva's got the programs and the products. You just need to make the call, 800-306-1990, 800-306-1990.